What's the easiest way to escape HTML in Python? CGI.escape seems like one possible choice. Does it work well? Is there something that is considered better?
HTML.escape is the correct answer now. It used to be CGI.escape in Python before 3.2. It escapes. Is lower than 2 and LT, is greater than 2 and GT, and 2 and AMP. That is enough for all HTML. Edit. If you have non-ASCII chars you also want to escape, for inclusion in another encoded document that uses a different encoding, like Craig says, just use. Don't forget to decode data to Unicode first, using whatever encoding it was encoded. However, in my experience that kind of encoding is useless if you just work with Unicode all the time from start. Just encode at the end to the encoding specified in the document header, UTF-8 for maximum compatibility. Example. Also worth of note, thanks Greg, is the extra quote parameter CGI.escape takes. With it set to true, CGI.escape also escapes double quote chars, so you can use the resulting value in a XML/HTML attribute. Edit. Note that CGI.escape has been deprecated in Python 3.2 in favor of HTML.escape, which does the same except that quote defaults to true.
In Python 3.2 a new HTML module was introduced, which is used for escaping reserved characters from HTML markup. It has one function: escape.
If you wish to escape HTML in a URL, this is probably not what the op wanted. The question doesn't clearly indicate in which context the escaping is meant to be used, but Python's native library urlib has a method to escape HTML entities that need to be included in a URL safely. The following is an example. Find docs here.
There is also the excellent markup safe package. The markup safe package is well engineered, and probably the most versatile and Pythonic way to go about escaping IMHO, because the return markup is a class derived from Unicode, i.e., isInstance escape str, Unicode, == true, it properly handles Unicode input, it works in Python 2.6, 2.7, 3.3, and PyPy, it respects custom methods of objects, i.e. objects with _HTML_ property, and template overloads, _HTML_ format_.
If you want to see more, please